Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do a jumping squat properly. This will be a full exercise tutorial and it'll be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, a jumping squat is an excellent exercise for a few reasons. You're combining two of the best things that you can do. A squat is one of the best exercises that you can perform, hands down. It works so many core muscle groups and it works them really, really well. Everyone should be squatting. Doesn't matter anything about your workout regimen, you should be squatting regularly. And then a jump is even better because it adds some plyometrics into the training. So how do you do a jumping squat? Well, first let's go for a squat. Very simple. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, point it out ever so slightly. And you want to essentially squat down and get back up, okay? Try and keep your back nice and straight throughout the process and try and bend your knees, bend your legs over here, and then sort of pull your hips back like that. Now what I like to do is bring my arms forward to just get some balance. Try and not kick your heel up like I'm doing right there. I know it's hard, but basically you want to do something like that. Now what's a jump? Well, a jump is going to be the opposite. Instead of going down, we're going up. Bend your knees, launch into the air, come back down just like that. Yes, I know, I got some pretty good hops for a big bald guy, okay? Once again, bend your knees, jump up like that, come back down. Yeah, I know, pretty good hops, what can I say? Anyways, with that being said, it's because I do a lot of squats. With that being said, this is what you gotta do. You're gonna combine the two. So we're gonna squat down. I'm gonna do it nice and slowly, then we'll speed it up. This can be a crazy strength training and cardio workout. If you just do this for 5 minutes, you'll be sweating, trust me. So squat down like that. And there's two ways to do this. So I'm gonna do it in two movements, then we're gonna combine it. Squat down, and then jump, okay? Squat down, this is how you train yourself. Then jump. Squat down, jump. Now we're going to sort of combine the two, okay? Squat down, jump. Squat down, jump. Like that. Now you can choose what to do with your arms. I do that because it gives me more height. But squat down, jump. So instead of coming back up, you're essentially exploding up. So squat down, jump, back down. Jump, back down. Jump, back down. Just like that, okay? Now like I said, it is a good workout. I'm gonna get out of breath for sure within making this video. So we're gonna squat down, jump up, back down, jump up, back down, just like that. Now, if you wanna lessen the intensity and increase the control, you can squat down, then jump up. Two movements separately. Squat down, then jump up, just like that. So you can either do the separate movement, squat, and then a jump, or you can do together like that, which you won't believe the level of a workout that you're gonna get. I'm telling you right now, it's crazy. You don't need any weights. You don't need anything. You don't even need the mat. This is my wife's mat, to be honest with you. I usually do this just on the floor. Take off your socks so you don't slip. Take them off. Your bare feet will prevent you from slipping, and just do some jumping squats. You won't believe the workout that you're gonna have. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.